See how it feels.
Anybody got any lodgers on them or anything like that? Lodgers.
Yeah, no, I have. I've got some lodgers. I'm going to take them to the youth hostel.
Yeah. South Downs that way.
Oh wow. Can we go along this way?
We can then.
Oh. Birthday boy being his age.
Come on, Mr. 74. Your time is nearly up.
When no one is holding my leash, yeah, I just make the same mistakes, and I don't wanna talk about it. I just wanna be 18 again. What's gonna bring you down when all you do is hang out with your friends? I just wanna
Wow. Lovely. Got a steady climb ahead of us.
Who's to blame when you're all out of chances and nothing is going your way? Let's just see how bad this gets. I'm 30 something now and everybody seems to have their shit together while I'm just passed out drunk and I can't even talk. I just wanna be 18 again. What's gonna weigh you down when all you do is hang out with your friends? I just wanna feel 18 again. Why'd I have to change?
Yeah.
You do 30 miles from anywhere, don't you? I think we are. Took me miles away from a breakfast. Well, my bags are bigger today. I don't understand why.
We'll see you at the top of the other side then.
Oh, right. Yep, whatever. You going?
No, I'm gonna lag
Why?
because I'm.
Oh. Okay, yes, of course.
I'm waiting for Richard. He's repacking himself. You all done?
Yeah, actually.
Oh, he's not done.
Not working.
Good.
Good on it.
Yeah.
The straps are really good though, aren't they?
I don't know why you didn't think of that earlier.
Oh, it's all right.
Actually, that bit of trail we've been on has been quite good, hasn't it?
Oh, it's nice to get a few K over about.
Yeah.
I think so, that's good. We didn't connect to
Yeah. It might just come up above. Maybe not.
All
stopping?
Might as well.
So tree's been blown down along this section. Hi. They snuck that one in back there, didn't they?
Yes. You mean the water park?
Used to like one of those back in the day.
A quick panorama, boys, of the summit.
Did you say you've got room for one more on top? Isn't it amazing? Everybody's so happy out here. Yeah. Hello.
Makes it all worthwhile, doesn't it?
Well, have you come from Winchester then?
Yeah, but not
Yeah.
today.
Yesterday.
Yeah, I was going to say not today, at this time of the day. Where you going? Who's school? Yeah. Not today.
No.
Progress is really slow today.
Pardon?
Progress is really slow today.
Yeah, we've got, how far are you going today?
Good question.
Truleigh Youth Hostel.
Julie Hill Youth Hospital. Oh,
Yeah.
you can see it from more or less from here.
Oh,
Well, not quite.
in the clouds?
The high rise just in front of you here
Yeah. One.
is above Amberley, that's
Yeah.
Rackham.
Yeah.
And then you've got a nice long
Descent.
level bit.
Oh, yeah.
And then you've got just on the top there, can you see
Yeah.
right on the top there
Yeah.
in the mist?
Yeah.
It's Chanctonbury, so you've got a very steep climb up to Chanctonbury
Okay.
and then over to the Ada Valley, and then you've got another very steep climb up to Truleigh. So you'll be wanting a beer when you get there.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's a nice route.
Yeah.
It's easy riding. It's like this all the way.
Great.
So yeah, no mud.
Lovely.
No.
Just what we want.
Thank goodness. Oh, well, thanks for the local knowledge.
Got to go up again now. So what are you thinking of it so far then, Peter?
Well, I'll tell you what, I was thinking that next time
Yeah,
we do it on a fixed wheel.
on a fixed wheel. Okay. That could be quite fun going down those hills though, couldn't it?
I think you stand on the pedal.
Yeah, I know.
Right down with it.
Yeah. That's what you used to do, wasn't it?
What's that, dinner time?
Yeah. Smile for the camera, Peter. You know there's an easy way round the back.
That is cruel. No, this is the way it's told it. No easy way.
Oh, for every wonderful downhill, there's a terrible uphill. I think we'll be there by 6. So. Oh, another big push, another big steep hill. I think I can see the sea in the distance.
Go Dallas. So how pretty is that? Thank you.
Oh. Ta-da! Got it? Yeah, smile. Peter. Thank you.
Okay, all set then? You trick me.